Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect MySQL to n8n. Now the first thing I want you to do is go ahead and open up n8n, and then you can come here, click on create workflow, okay? And then you can go ahead and search for example, MySQL. Right here you can tap on it, and then what I want you to do is you can set the triggers here. So you choose a trigger, let's say you schedule it, and you can go ahead and set it up. You can go to your settings, right, as well. Now, what I want you to do is go ahead and configure this workflow. Okay, so here we have MySQL. You can go ahead and click on it, and then you can configure right here the credentials. Make sure you connect yourself. Okay, so you can go ahead and fill everything in right here, right? Enter the password if you have to, and you can go ahead and connect. You can just tap here on save. It's really that easy. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.